This video will tell you how to use tags in the tag box in your YouTube videos. So the first thing you want to do is use keyword research to come up with keyword phrases that you can rank for and related to your video, and then put them in the tag box behind it all. Next, you want to put the misspellings of a keyword in the tag box too, because that's what YouTube always says use tag box for. Now, before 2018, the tags were used heavily on YouTube to make videos views. But ever since 2018, when the watch time happened, that's when YouTube started providing watch time. Then it's not really matter. But here's my video right here that tells you tags still work in 2023 and beyond. So go ahead and watch that, and I'll see you there.